Hello everybody, welcome back to Potato Gamer. Today we are playing Teardown. Oh crap, sorry. Speakers are a little loud. Yeah, so we'll get right into it. I don't honestly remember what mission we had last time. Yeah, it's insurance papers. This is one with the wet safes, the one that sucks. Yeah. So basically the safes can't go outside. Oh crap, I'm gonna wanna go back. Just because I am going to want to upgrade planks. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't realize that it had like a little thing on there. It's kind of cool. Whatever, at some point we can get more money. I wish we got like money per mission. That'd be nice too, just as an extra little bonus. But planks, just because, well, we don't have cords yet, cable. So it's gonna be our best bet for holding things down. Yeah, look at that. That's a lot better. How does the gun look now? Opening doors. Oh, wow. Okay. How's the shotgun? I don't know. Okay. There we go. We can get this out of the way. And we will get right into it. So yeah, that's gonna be enough. At least these things are light as safes go. Basically, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to load all these up in here. And then just drive this into the water. So with everyone, I think I'm going to quick save. Okay, quick save. Isn't there one down there? Yeah, there's one down here. Okay. Handbrake. Okay. Get all this off. That did not look like it fit, so then we can just pull off the door. Yeah, okay, this will fit. Oh, we hit something. Is the safe okay? Yeah, safe's okay. I'll patch that up. Okay, so that's right in here. We'll just get this in the truck. Oh, there's a door right out on the racetrack. That'll be good. Because I think our next target is right out on the racetrack. Yeah. And then there's one in the bedroom. Okay. Okay, so the rest of them we can get. I think. Okay. Quick save. This is kind of what it's for. Oh, okay. Garage doors are flammable. This fucking garage door is flammable. Okay, we're gonna have to turn around. Or no, we can make it in the racing garage. Yeah, gotta get on close. What the fuck? Okay. We're gonna load. That scared me. Oh crap. Okay. Garage door, we can just go over there. Yeah, we're gonna be using the shotgun a lot in this mission. We might even run out of rounds because we've already used 50 and we've only done 3 garage doors. Oh shit. Then we're gonna want to go around the racing track so we can get in the, where's that? Guest house, yeah. And we might not do the one in the sauna. I don't know, we'll just have to see. Okay, shit, I almost crashed that. Would not have been good. totally destroy this door. Yeah, if it's not going to cooperate, we'll torch it. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do a quick save here because we might make it all the way out. So yeah, we'll load this one up. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. We're gonna have to back into this. Shit, okay, we're gonna have to be very straight. What? Shit. Oh, and the hole on top. There it goes, it's like my house. Fuck. We're gonna do it this way. Okay, we're gonna smash that a bit, right? So we're gonna grab this. What the fuck? Oh my god. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shotgun the walls. Done. And then, how are we gonna do this? No. What are we gonna do? Do that, and then we will. Right? So then we can squeeze that in. Okay. No. Shit. There. And then get a plank, get a plank, get a plank. Shit! God! Okay. Yeah, we're gonna not do all the saves. I think we can do one more. Oh, wait. No, we'll be able to do all of them. No, we won't. We don't have enough planks. We can go back on a later day and do this mission. Motherfucker. Okay. So, get this. Up in here. Get the roof all fixed up. Get this down and secured. Okay. This thing cannot. Okay. Just scuffed the side, I think. Yeah. Oh my god, this game is stressful. Okay. What the fuck? No, I don't want to go that way. Okay, yeah. Straighten it out. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. You know what? You know what? Fuck you, game. What the fuck is this mission? Okay. We're gonna just get this last one, and once we get fucking cable, we can go back. Where is it detecting rain? We're inside. The fuck? Okay. If I remember this mission properly, I think the last one we can position directly above the hot tub. So what we're gonna do is... God damn it. So what we're gonna do is we are going to get this one right motherfucker. From what I remember, we had to get this one, like, right by the boat so we can knock it off. I think I'll... How did a tree destroy a metal fucking truck? Oh god. How did a tree destroy a fucking metal truck? Okay, fine. I've never seen a tree destroy a truck. Ever. Unless it falls directly on it and it's like 7,000 fucking pounds. Have you? I haven't. So we will bring this back. We're not getting that other one until later, like I said. Okay. Yeah, I know. Still don't know how trees are destroying trucks. It's not how it works. Okay, that should be okay. That should be good. Where are you detecting rain? Patch this. Get that there. Quick save. We're not doing that again. Just for fun. There. Okay, no. I think we already looted this place. It didn't say it was on the top floor or something. Yeah. Oh, it's a big safe. Isn't there a hot tub right down here? Yeah, right here. We're gonna try this. Does rain like wreck the saves? If it does, this mission is not gonna be very hard. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be real pissed off. Wait, there's a vent up there. Does that lead to anything? It might. Okay, I'm gonna save, because we're gonna need these planks. I just want to know, does that vent lead anywhere? There's like a big system. Come on. Okay, there. There we go. I'm just looking. There might be something like that's worth like $1,000 in here or something. I don't know. No, just leads down here. Oh, was there anything up there that I missed, or is it just big empty vent? Damn it. I think it's just a big empty vent. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. And it's the bathroom in between. Nothing. That's kind of disappointing. We could have put stuff up there. Just something dumb, like Oh, bags of money. Mm. Okay, we were testing if this rain just work. I don't think so, but it might. Okay, no, it doesn't. So, we're gonna have to make like a little thing. Covers it up. Okay. Hot tub is right over here, right? So we gotta get it to here with 6 planks. Shit, okay. We'll make like something, you know, we don't gotta make something right there. We can just, like, okay. And then, you know, right up at that edge. Oh, god damn it. Here. Turn it. Don't know why you keep insurance papers in like a safe like this. Like you have a lot of saves for insurance papers. But you really need this many? How much insurance papers are you keeping back? Like, jeez. I mean, I know you get a lot of insurance papers, but you don't get this much, I don't think. I just want to see quick save. Can we get that out there? No. Okay. The fuck? Oh, blowtorch. That's metal. Isn't that metal? Okay. Load. Oh shit. Okay. God damn it. What the hell? Why are these so jumpy? There. There we go. Okay, we're gonna use 1 plank. Then we use this, and then we'll stack these up. Like so. Fucking stack. Okay, there. Another plank. And another. Yeah, we're gonna need more than 1. Okay, should that be enough to get it outside? Oh my god, okay, just turn, yeah. Come on. What the fuck? Did that just move backwards? Oh my god. Come on. Move. What? Okay. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Fucking seriously? Oh boy. Why do we throw them with such energy? Seriously, bro, is this dude a crack addict? I mean, probably from the looks of him, but... Oh my god. Fuck! God damn it, just stack fucking furniture. There. That's good. Can get it out over here, right? Motherfucker. Oh, actually. All we got to do. Oh, crap. Oh, we got. Do it up anyway here. Fuck. Okay, bombs a little too much. Pipe bombs are like just right, but they suck to work with. Okay. We gotta be quick. So, quick save, and then we'll just... No, really? Oh, god damn it. Okay. Go. Okay. Quick save, yeah. Shimmy, yeah. Wow, that's a weird little pattern. Oh my god. Fuck. Okay. We will go back up. Okay. No, 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 no. Fuck. Okay, we gotta be really quick. Okay, we gotta be real quick. Get all this shit out the way. And quick save next time. my god. There we go, we just did it. Okay. Quick save, right? Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we just gotta go to the truck. Drive it in. This mission is a lot more tedious than others, but it's not hard. Yeah, well, like, I mean, it's not hard. It's just tedious as a hell. Okay, there we go. Yeah, 17 minutes. Okay. We harvested a barn. Fine. Open sesame. Over here. Okay, that little brat hit me again. He wouldn't believe it. He came home too. He's gonna take weeks to clean up. That insurance company won't even pick up the phone. I've had it with Lee. Let's show him not to mess with big boys. The chemical plant leaves it. Power plant is the heart of the whole valley. I want it gone. Okay, we gotta like break over his power plant. It's not too bad. Hopefully. We gotta plant that. And then we gotta destroy all these. Yeah, see, look, they have explosion sensors. Boat over there that we can drive? That better be. Boat. Yep. Fuck. Okay, we're just gonna restart, I guess. Okay, so... get it over here. Okay, so we can just probably, yeah, let's get a ramp. There we go. turn. There. Leads to this, and then right here we can, yeah. Oh, that's like truck bays. Oh my god. Safe is really picky. Or bomb. Whatever, bomb, safes, same thing. So we get these through, right, yep. Okay, we got this almost to the end here. Sorry, I just want to look at my recording time. Wow. Okay, yeah, pretty soon I'm probably gonna quit. After this mission. Yes. I don't know what happens when they put this on, so I'm gonna quick save. Because it could just kind of blow up when we put it on. Or it gives us like a detonator. I hope that's it. Okay. Come on. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck, oh my god. Get up the goddamn stairs. Oh my god. Fuck you, bomb. What the fuck? Oh my god. Why the fuck? Won't it get up? Goddamn stairs. Oh my god! Oh my god. Stupid fucking bomb. There. Is that good enough for you? Fuck. Ooh, I don't like this game. Oh god, no. Are we not supposed to bring it up here? Maybe we gotta, like, bring it up the little stairs. Yeah, I think that's what we're supposed to do. Okay. So quick save here. We're just gonna see how many we can get. Just right off the bat. See how many primary targets we can get right off the bat. If we can get all three, okay, if we can get all three right off the bat, then we're good, I guess. Yeah. We'll have to make like a way, I guess, per usual. This one first. Then we just make our way. No, actually. Do this. You can run up the hill. Oh no. Yeah, I'll have to do that. Okay, run up. And around. And up here, plant a bomb. Go through the door. And then we'll go around here, up, and then back. So we'll get a boat. So we'll jump off. Boat, go on, go through, right? see something. Can I break that? No. We gotta destroy that. What do we gotta do? Okay, we gotta destroy it. So then, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna move it toward the wall, right? I think we can. Quick save. What happens if we rip it off? Doesn't it run off? No. I don't know why it wants to destroy like a fucking diesel generator. Like it's a fucking little generator thing. Okay. So we'll turn and go across here. And then when we do that, we just gotta get out our gun. Yeah, okay. We gotta get out the gun and that'll destroy that, and then we will run along. Will these reach and cross? No. No, they won't. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, so we'll go up here and go around, right, and go up, and then what we'll do, I'll jump on, run over, and off, move this crap out of the way. We'll go on, we'll cross after we shot that. Okay, jump up, go up here, and then down. But here, we'll do this. So, oh my god, okay. Can do is we can get this, so go up, no, come on, get it so it can go up like that, and then across, right, come on, attach. Okay, so then we can jump up and save. Can we just, so we can run across and no. Oh, I almost tried to restart. Would not be good. So we can just run across. Quick save and drop in a pipe bomb. Should drop in a pipe bomb. There we go. Okay, so run across. Hit pipe bomb. Yeah. Okay. Then we can go around. And then go up here, right? Can we just plant a bomb? Yeah, okay. So that's our completed path. Okay. So we'll do this. I guess I meant to end the video at the last one, but whatever. Oh no, I didn't end the video at this mission. Okay. Got our path down. Okay, shouldn't be much more fiddling. Quick save. I think we'll make it. We should make it, right? Yeah, we'll make it, we'll make it, we'll make it. Yeah! Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you feel so inclined, you guys could like and subscribe if you wanted. I mean, that's definitely up to you. But, yeah, I guess. And I will see you guys next time.